welcome back to It's Spring. Today, you're gonna need 2 pieces of paper. I'm using 2 pieces of A4. I recommend 1 piece of red origami paper and 1 piece of yellow construction paper because we're gonna be making French fries with a cup, and it's gonna be McDonald's. So I have a McDonald's M right here. And you're also gonna need tape just to tape the M on, and scissors to make the French fries and turn this into origami paper. I don't have origami paper, so that's why I'm doing this. If you saw in the Star Box making video, you'll know how to cut this out. That, and then you can cut this off like this. Or rip it off. And then save this piece for one of the French fries. Or marker it in yellow. Okay, now that we have a line good going through it, that's good because we're gonna need to fold on that line and fold up to that line. So just fold like this, but don't do it with the other side. And then you're gonna fold in half triangularly on that crease. And then you see there is this line. We're now going to fold it up to the end of the line like this, and then like this. You may say we're almost done, but no, we're not. And then unfold your entire paper, flip over, and then you're gonna press like right here and here, and then right there, it's going up. We're gonna take this and fold it over here. You guys have a better view than I do right now. And then fold this, and then make a crease inside there. It's hard to film, like right there. And then do the same over here, like that. And then in there, it's like this. So that's over there, and then you're gonna put that right there, and then that is flattened out like that. Then crease all over. And then you're gonna take this, fold it down. And there are many different, 2 of them let the French fries fall out, and 2 of them keep it there. But so that they all go in and don't fall out, we're gonna take this, they're just folded down there, and fold it into the last one like this. Might not be perfect, but make the crease. And then if you want, you can keep it right like that, but I'm not going to. I'm also gonna fold that in there too, so it's more like a cup at McDonald's, and that's why it's an M. And then you're going to, it's not perfect, but like this, it's not perfect. And then try like that. And then you're gonna pinch these 2 corners at the bottom like this. Hold on. Pinch. Oops, there it goes. It's okay. If you want, you can. But to make it more like a cup, you. Can. And then you have made the cup. Now you're gonna make French fries. So take that piece over there that you saved, and you're gonna like oh wait, before we do that, you're gonna, with the M that you cut out, you're gonna put it on there. Take a piece of tape. Oopsies. Hold on. Oops. Tape it on like that. Or if you have glue, I recommend use glue, but I can't find my glue. I know I have one, but I can't find it right now. I'm just gonna keep it like that. And then, now you can make the French fries. You're gonna kind of like roll this up like this to make the French fries. Like that. Tape. And tape that. This. And then you've made a French fry. It's okay if it's like that. And then you put it in here, like that. And then you're gonna make other ones. And then you can put that out of the way. And then over here, you're gonna do the same thing, almost cutting it into a square, but you don't do the cut point. It's like you're gonna rip it, but no, you're not. So right here, you're gonna fold that right there. And then you're gonna unfold it entirely. And then you're gonna fold that up. Then do it again like this. Then do it again like that. And then unfold the entire paper like that. And then you're gonna cut along these pieces except for this one right here. Only cut on this one, and this one, but not this one. Not that one, but this one, and this one. You can cut on, but not that. Also, not that way, but you can just like, you can go over it, but don't cut on it. You can cut like this, even though you're cutting on it. And then you cut that out, which is good. Do the same thing. Oops, that's okay. I'll just rip it off. Okay. And then cut on the last crease. Like that. And then you have these pieces. 4 pieces, 4 strips. If you use A4, 4 strips are the exact same size. Now, you're gonna do the same thing for all of them. You're gonna roll them up. I recommend make some fatter and some thinner because then it's more like a French, because then it makes them more elastic. And then do the same thing. Take tape. And then tape the pole, or not pole, but French fries. I recommend use yellow paper for that. And then put that in too. And then make all the other ones into French fries again. Like this. And next time you go to Culver's and McDonald's, eat French fries. And if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe.